let's create an animal interface and let's add some behavior to it. So let's say that an animal has an age and it's got a name, and let's say that an animal communicates and it moves. So that's our interface. Okay, so now we have an animal interface, and obviously we need to implement it, right? So the easiest way to do that is just, click on the animal interface and implement the interface. So let's, for example, create a dog class in the same default package. Okay, so IntelliJ is asking us, because it's not an abstract class, whether we want to implement all of these methods, and let's say yes. So now another thing that I like to do is I usually like to split the screen so that as I code I see the the interface of the base classes and the subclasses and all of the related classes. So I just basically just do split. You can do split and move down. Let's do split and move right. Okay, so now we have our dog class.